Hi, my dear students. This is Suresh Kumar, your chemistry teacher. This is our channel, Suresh Kemila. Right, welcome to our channel. Right. Before starting the lesson, I just give a small suggestion to you, my dear children. మనకి ఈ కరోనా మూమెంట్లో మస్ట్ మన అందరూ కూడా అట్లీస్ట్ ఒక 3 అవర్స్కి అయినా సరే కంపల్సరీగా ఒక గ్లాస్తో కంపల్సరీగా లెమన్ వాటర్ తాగాలండి. ఓకే, లెమన్ జ్యూస్ that is very healthy in this moment, right? ఇప్పుడు లెమన్ జ్యూస్ అని చెప్పానంటే లెమన్ జ్యూస్ మీన్స్ lemonade, yes, lemon juice and also sugar and also water all are mixed together, okay, then form a lemonade. So according to our chemistry, it is called solution. Yes, today I would like to make a new video. Okay, that is nothing but solutions. Okay, solutions is a very important chapter. It is related to physical chemistry. In a NEET examination point of view, from that solutions, weightage marks are 5%. So, my dear student, before starting the lesson, I would like to draw a mind map on this entire lesson. Here, first of all, introduction of the solutions. Here, characteristics of the solutions. Okay, then after, types of solutions. Based on the nature of that solvent, solutions are classified into two types: aqueous solution and also non-aqueous solution, right? Then after, based on the physical state, okay, solutions are classified into three types: solid solution, liquid solution and gaseous solution, right? And based on that amount of the solute present in the given solution, that solutions are classified into three types: saturated solution, unsaturated solution and supersaturated solutions, right? And also based on the amount of the solute present in the given solution, okay, solutions are classified into two types: concentrated solution and a diluted solution. In the diluted solution, very important concept that is called colligative properties. Okay, the colligative properties, four main points are there. One is the relative lowering vapor pressure and elevation of boiling point and depression of freezing point and finally osmotic pressure. Okay, and also discussion about the applications of the osmotic pressure in our day-to-day life. And here another thing that is called Van 't Hoff equation. Okay, and also in the colligative properties, discussion about the normal colligative properties and also abnormal colligative properties. And then after, solubility. So in solubility, two laws are there: Raoult's law and also Henry's law. Okay, and here also discussion about that ideal solution and non-ideal solution. Then finally, expressing the concentrations of the solutions in terms weight by weight percentage, weight by volume percentage, volume by weight percentage and volume by volume percentage, and also ppm, parts per million. Okay, and molarity, mole fraction, normality and also formality, right? So this is the complete mind map of this entire the lesson, solutions, right? So solution means it contains and also solvent. Okay, solute and solvent then form a solution, right? Solute means, for example, this can be explained with an example. Here just take a small amount of water in a beaker, then I can add some amount of sugar into it, and after stirring by using the stirrer, you can observe that the sugar particles completely dissolve in the water. Okay, so sugar completely disappears, means we can't see the sugar particles with our naked eye. ఓకే అండి, ఓకే రైట్. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే ఈ షుగర్ పార్టికల్స్ మన కంటితో అసలు చూడలేమండి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ సొల్యూషన్. ఇన్ దిస్ సొల్యూషన్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఆర్ ప్రెజెంట్? sugar and also water. Okay, right. So what is meant by solute? What is the solvent? Means can easily identify that which one is the solute, which one is the solvent in the given solution. The component present in lesser proportion. Okay, the component present in lesser proportion, okay, or the component which loses its physical state. The component which loses its physical state. Okay, noise. Okay, right. Or the component which one is dissolved, simply dissolved in the given solution, okay, is called solute. Here the component present in the lesser proportion in this solution, which one has the lesser quantity, means sugar. So here sugar is the solute. Okay, here solvent means, okay, solvent means the component present in a larger quantity, larger proportion. Okay, so the component present in larger proportion, or the component which retains its physical state. The component which retains its physical state, okay, or simply you can say dissolving medium. Simply. So the substance which one is dissolved in the solution, that is called solute. The substance which one get dissolved in it, that is called solvent. Okay, so here water can be in it, means sugar can be dissolved in the water, means sugar is the solute, water is the solvent. Is it clear? So solution, what is the definition of the solution properly? Means, so is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances whose composition, okay, whose composition vary within certain limits, is called, okay, true solution. Right. Here homogeneous mixture means, mixture in which, okay, the substances are mixed together, not chemically, okay, mixed together and are indistinguishable from one another is called homogeneous. Right? A mixture, homogeneous mixture is a mixture, the mixture in which the substances are mixed together, okay, and are indistinguishable from one another, is called homogeneous mixture. Means, in before example, we cannot observe the sugar particles in a sugar solution. Means, that is the indistinguishable. Means you cannot identify that sugar particles in the sugar solution. That is a homogeneous mixture. Okay. If you can identify those particles, that is called heterogeneous. For example, just take a marbles and also pebbles. Those are mixed together. Then you can easily identify it. Which one is the marble, which one is the pebble. Means that is the heterogeneous. And also in heterogeneous mixture, those components does not mix it uniformly. But in a homogeneous mixture, those components which are present in that mixture, those are uniformly distributed throughout it. Okay, that is the homogeneous mixture. Right.